We have completed till now, like order entry, booking, and then quick release, shipping. Okay. So there are some cross questions and scenarios related to this. We'll cover. Okay. So first is here, all very easy only, not much complicated. You know, right? Your next step will be here is okay. Transfer to zero, correct? I'm not going further now. So till shipping only, we'll see the cross questions, scenario based questions. Okay, important things. So the entire 1 hour class is based on again these four things. Okay, first question. Display customer number and sales order number. Okay, or we can say customer name, not number. This is the question here. Okay, customer name is stored in one table and sales order number is in another table. Okay, so we have to know that. I don't know any number, simply I'm pressing F11 and control F11. Let's say this is the number I'm taking randomly, okay? This information is stored into a table here that yesterday we have seen already. OE order headers. But customers are different, okay? These are all stored in other tables. To know the table behind that here is, you can take this view. You can go to Toad here. And press F4 to describe this script here. So we need here customer name. Customer name is party name here. So this is where here party name is also called as a customer name here. So take this party. This is part of select statement here. Select. Same way you need to practice. First select column name. Okay. Then followed by from class. And this party is for what? Like you need to go to from class here. It's just a normal select statement only. Party stands for what? We have to check here. This is the HZ parties here. Alias name I'm giving my own. So here H and here P. Okay, HP, HZ parties it means. Now order number. This is order number. F3 to get a new value, to get the upcoming value. H. This is a H we have to take here. It's a copy paste only. So two columns I took. This I already took here. Okay, instead of party, what I'm doing is HP I'm taking. Okay. This alias name is your choice, no restriction. H. You can check H for what it is, like this is the one. The moment you take two tables, you must have to take a join also. A join HP dot H. There is no straight join here. Okay. There is no straight join. There is another intermediary table is there. That's an hedged parties, hedged cost accounts here. This one. This is the table we have to take. Take this. I'm taking another intermediary table. Customer does not have a straight relation with the sales order. In between, there is a account table is also required. So first find out the join between hedged parties and hedged cost accounts. Go to where condition here. This is the one we can take. Okay. Join. This symbol everyone knows, right? Outer join. Outer join. So is a left outer join, right outer join. What is the functionality of it? You know this plus symbol. Okay. Then next, the join between these two, cost account and hedge. This one is another join. One time only you need to copy paste. This is the query. Go to Toad. I'm minimizing here. I'm not canceling. Minimize. F. Yes. You can remove. Again, select this.
It's against
Check this. Yes, you have to check HP dot party name. Cost account dot party ID. Okay. So this party alias name I have changed. Okay. It is not giving data, you know, right? Because it's a weave. It's a weave here. Weave doesn't hold data, correct? So instead of that, what you can do, either you can use underscore all, or we have to use begin and MO global set policy context. All is better. It will give you the data like this. Account number is stored into this cost account dot account number. This is a customer number, alias name we have to give like this. Okay. So this is the query we need to prepare. Overall, only 3 tables here. 2 customer related table, 1 sales order table. This is over. Are you okay with this? Okay. The scenario here is display customer name and sales order number. Table level links you need to understand here. You are going to prepare a reports. Definitely these joins are important. Okay, now next is here. Display open sales orders. Open sales orders means you are somewhere it will be stuck here. It may be at the quick release level or booking level or shipping level. Pending sales order we can say open means. Okay. There is a flag will be available here. Open flag. Do you see here? Flag means column yes or no. Click on this. Now in the same way, if it is booked or not, also we can check it out. There is a column here. Booked flag. And right now I'm looking for a particular number. This is the only number I'm looking. Or create a new sales order also up to you. Check the availability. Save. Now take this order. Okay, one order only I'm looking. One second. So is it booked now? Sales order? Not yet booked. So N means it is not yet booked, correct? So Y means it is what it is. It's a open sales order, it is correct. Open means what it is. It may be booked step pending or pick release step pending or shipping pending, not yet done it is. So based on these flags, we can identify open flag and booked flag. How to display open sales order on which column? Flag name is open flag, that is equivalent to Y. And third, we have seen here how to check the sales order is booked or not from backend. The column name is what it is. It is a another flag. It is booked flag is the values are it has the values are Y or N only, two values only. Okay, now next fourth one is display sales rep to sales representative and sales order number. Okay. So sales representatives are stored in other tables. So right now there is no sales representative. I'm just adding. This is a sales I have added. Sales representatives are stored in JTF table. If you don't know table name fully, we can use, there is a table. One data dictionary table is there here. FND tables where table name like JTF RS. This is a table name. There are 84 tables are there, right? This is the table. JTF RS sales reps. Now I'm adding here two tables. Two tables. One is OE order, headers of JRS. Join condition is just if you press F4, you can see sales rep ID. The sales rep ID, it must be there here in OE or headers of. Do you see it? Same condition. Just adding 2-3 tables, nothing more than that. Name we wanted. Name is what it is. There is a column here. See, all the columns are readily available here. Simply, if you keep the cursor and press double click, it will be copied automatically. It's copied. Okay. These are all the names here. Okay. And we are looking for a specific order. Do you see? Johnson. This Johnson Miss Cynthia. Correct? For this particular sales order, if you want to display the customer name, two tables, three tables required. Edged parties, edged cost accounts. If you want to display sales representative, there is another table that is JTF RS sales reps. If you are not able to remember properly, then you can get it from this particular table, FND tables. You can get any table, even if you forget an OER data also, it will be available here. Do you see? OER data solve, OER lines are. Let's say if you are working with another module, like AR module, you don't know any table. You search with AR like this, you can get to know the tables. Starts with AR. There are 357 tables are there. And whatever you wanted, you can get it from here. It's a good thing to identify this. We can find out any table from FND tables it is. Clear? Now, next is, what is back order? Back order means here, if you look at line items, right now quantity is how much it is? 97 on hand quantity is there. So if you get a requirement for requirement is more than 97, let's say 120, then the rest of the quantity will become a back order. Okay, I would like to create a sales order with 100 quantity right now, but stock is only 97. 3 is balanced, right? That balanced quantity will become a back order. Okay, this is the terminology. It is single terminology. It is back order. Okay, understood. Now let's book it. So before booking, what I'm doing, I'm just entering 100 quantity here. Now check the availability again. We are requesting 100, but quantity is available only 97. Let's proceed further. Book order. It is saying clearly quantity on hand fails to satisfy reservation because there is no sufficient quantity available, but still order is booked. Okay, continue. Now go to actions here, additional line information, deliveries. So you're ready to release, correct? After booking, your next step will be your pick release, correct? So take the pick release option. Take this. Yes. Pick release navigation, everyone knows, right? How to close this form? F4. So navigation for, you already practiced yesterday, right? Quick release navigation. Okay. So what I need to do initially is to remove all this. See, there are many based on rules here. Okay, not only standard. So if you want to create auto ship automatically, shipping has to perform automatically on other warehouse, E5 warehouse. E5 is another warehouse. Then at that time we have to use this. Okay, so right now I am using only standard because that is for M1 it is. M1 warehouse. You may get doubt why we are taking only standard. Okay, this is the standard here. Do you say warehouse here? Organization code is M1. These are all you know, right? Why? Automatically it will take, right? These flags where you have seen auto create delivery, auto pick confirm. I'm taking this. Yes, if you go to tab here, these are all. Okay. Your order number. Execute now. It is saying here pick release online has partially completed with a warning. If you go to the program, these 3 programs will be submitted, correct? Pick slip report will give you the output. Okay. Quantity requested. So 3 quantity it is reserved for another sales order, right? overall 100 we are trying to pick it up, but 3 already resolved. That's why it is saying only 94. The rest of the data, where can you see here, is it will become a back order. Just go to order returns, sales orders, query this particular order. Line items here, go to actions, additional line information, deliveries here. So do you see here? There is a back order. Okay. The status which you have seen earlier is R means ready to release, Y means picked up, C means completed, right? And back ordered value we should check. So in which table we can see this status? There are warehouse related tables, right? We can add here, correct? I'm adding here only instead of adding separately. Okay. So which table I need to add here? WSH delivery details. WDD. Do you know the join between these two? What is the join? Correct. Yesterday you have practiced. Nice. H dot primary key of this table is equivalent to WDD dot source header ID. Yes. So better combine all the tables so that you will feel happy. Okay. Okay. Column name. Which column name I need to use? Perfect. B means what it is now? Back order. Y means some quantity pick, some quantity back ordered. Okay. So if I want to find out only back ordered quantity, okay, then what I need to do? So simply I'll take this release status. Then after that, I'm just copying this query. Same query. Okay, take this release status. I'm not looking for a specific order now. Okay, all the orders. Release status is equal to, I need the back orders which are available in the system. So I can simply say B here. These are all the back ordered quantity. Approximately 309 sales orders having a back order. That means doesn't have a stock. So they can find out. Instead of checking from back end, front end, they don't know, right? Which order is back ordered. Identifying is very difficult. That's why we have to depend on the back end only. Back end is really important. Don't ignore this. So now tell me how to identify the back orders on which column, which table. So first of all, what is back order? Insufficient quantity. Okay. Release status is B. Table name. Okay. So you just simply mention as a WSH only. No wish. 6 is here. Till what stage we can cancel sales order? It is another question. Okay. Canceling sales order we can do here only. Actions. This is a button here. Okay. So at the time of header level, book level, we can easily cancel it. If you try to cancel now, it may give error. I took some random reason. Okay. It is saying here. Okay. This is the message. You are not allowed to cancel order line because line has already pick confirmed. So they have picked up the goods and they moved to other area. Staged means they kept into other area. So after pick release is not possible. So yes, at entry level, booking level, it is possible. Let's see. I'm creating a new sales order to show you. Item. We are at still entry level only. Actions. It is saying clearly, please requery. Requery means what I have to do? Simply, query means simply F11, enter the data, control F11. That's called as a requery. So it is allowed, cancelled it is. Line level, cancelled. Okay. So at entry level, successfully we can cancel. And after booking also we can do. If it is UAM is not coming means you could have missed organization assignment. Book order quantity. It is booked already. Line level, any idea what will be the status? That is awaiting shipping here. Actions. Discontinued item. Cancel. Entry level we can cancel, book level we can cancel, but at the time of pick release, let's see. These are all the production issues, okay? Definitely will face in the company. I picked up. After that, go to sales order and try to cancel. Let's see the result, what it is going to give. Okay. Now, so picked already, but what point of time it will not give, it will not allow you is pick confirm it is. It is simply picked and moved to one particular area, staging area. Fine. Now still it is allowed here. So there are a few steps we can say. Order entry, canceling will allow. Booking also okay. Pick release. So pick confirm. There are two terminologies here. Pick confirm and pick release. At the time of picking, it is allowed. But after picking and moving to staging area, it will not allow. Okay. That's about the canceling a sales order. Clear? How to cancel a sales order and till what stages we can cancel sales order, I given you information. Now there is a program here, interface trip stop. After shipping, it will submit. We already seen yesterday also. Okay. This is a program I'm talking. Okay, interface trip stop. If you click on view output, it will not give you the output here. And view log, it will give so much information, but you may not understand what it is giving here. You need to read the entire message, but still it's difficult to understand. It will give API names, tables, and all other, the time consumption, everything. Okay. Now, anyway, the significance of this program is there are two things here. So one is here, it will detect quantity from MTL on hand quantities, correct? Your stock is available into MTL on hand quantities. This is one point. Another one is it will update the shipped quantity. Shipped quantity at line level, sales order line level. I'll show you these two. So first quantity where you can rise for any item, you can go to right inventory, navigation, miscellaneous. See, slowly you are going to learn. Okay, slowly you are going to learn all this material transactions, sub-inventory transfer. There are many others. Okay. So first, right now we need to discuss about only miscellaneous. Which one I need to select? M1. Miscellaneous. This is it. Then sub-inventory. So right now on hand quantity is only 3. Okay. So I'm making here 300 quantity. After this point, I'll stop. You need to practice now after this immediately. Okay. Save. In which table we can identify the stock? I just before told you. Item table. Okay, tables I told you, right? How important it is. Item table is MTL, system, items. B you are missing. You should not miss. B means base table. MTL, on hand quantities. Join condition. Primary key of first two table. There are two primary keys here, correct? MSI dot inventory item ID, that is equivalent to MOQ dot, and one more MSI dot organization ID, that is equivalent to MOQ dot organization ID. Same query I am repeating yesterday. You are looking for which column? Yeah, which item? That item number always stored into a column that is equivalent to. That's it. Okay. This 94 it is not showing. Why? Because we picked up for one particular order. Anyway, we wanted only summation, sum of 397 quantity is there. Now what I will do, after doing a interface strip stop, the quantity will be deducted here. So right now, remember the quantity 397. Now let's create one sales order and we'll perform end-to-end steps. 4 steps are there, correct? Order entry, booking, quick release, shipping. Okay, there is one more point also we can discuss here as 8th point. That's 7th point. Okay, that is auto ship. Auto ship will help you to do shipping automatically. So today we discussed only 8 points. All are important questions. The 97 shall we take just for quick understanding. 97 I want to ship it. Availability like this. Book order. After booking, 2 steps are there, correct? Quick release and shipping. Shipping, release sales order, release sales orders. And all the 3 classes summary is not even 3 minutes, right? This is what I'm talking about. That is called as a auto ship. Auto ship means pick release followed by shipping automatically it will happen. Execute now. A couple of programs will be submitted automatically like this. These are all the programs related to pick release as well as shipping, both. Yesterday I have seen individually, but now it is combinedly submitted. Now, see, it is not opening anything. I know that, correct? What you need to do is go to or fire this query. Earlier 397, now 97. If it is shipped, then it will give you only 300. So at the time of interface strip stop, what is happening? It is here. It will deduct the quantity from MTL on-hand quantities. And one more point I missed, that is shipped quantity at line level. Go to return sales orders. Line items. This column I am talking about here. Okay. Initially, it will not be having any value out of it. Now, this ship dates also it will be populated. Scheduled ship dates. Anyway, I'll just create a new sales order. Okay. Go to line items. Save this. So do you see any ship dates here? It's not populated, correct? And one more column, that is quantity. There is no value. Any other things newly updating? Okay, two columns. One column is quantity shipped is one column. And the second column is what is schedule ship date. So let's observe that. Okay. Book order. Go to shipping sales order. What I need to do? Packing, okay, leave it. Not always mandatory, yes. Okay. Still, if you have a specialty, you can use it. So do you see? See why it is not yet updated is still programs are submitting, running. That is the problem. Okay, immediately you should not check. Give some time. It could have completed already. You see? And one more is scheduled ship dates. Okay, shipped quantity column, and then that's about the interface strip stop. Okay. Now I am not showing you, I'm just asking you. So how many points we discussed? 8 points. You'll be able to tell me one by one. Not in a sequence, whatever. Customer number, name and number. One more.
Display open sales orders.
Correct.
How to check the sales order? Third one.
Booked or not, correct? Any other? Back order, how to display back order? Next. Till what stage we can cancel? Next.
Auto shipping, like
Auto ship, very good. Next, one more.
interface tip stop.
Purpose of interface to stop. Anything missed? Sales representative, right? Sales rep. Now you tell me answers also. Questions you told, answers. Here, how to display customer name and number and sales order. How many tables we have to combine? What are the joins?
Two
3.
tables.
What are they? Jet parties. OER that's all. HZ cost account.
HZ.
Clearly you have to mention. Okay. Join conditions. Party ID. You are not able to remember? Sold to RGD. Do you remember? Sold to RGD? One column will be there here. Correct? Yes, on. And there are other values also there. Sold to contact ID, ship to contact. We'll see slowly one by one. So I hope you are okay with this, correct? How about open sales order? What is the flag we have to give? Column name? Open flag. From which
Open flag Y.
from which table? Yes, why it is.
Y table.
That's all correct. And booked or not means booked flag. What is back order? Insufficient quantity. How to overcome?
Release later.
No, we have to create a.
Three.
Yes, we need to create one miscellaneous transaction, right? We can. This is one way, but there are other ways also. I'll tell you later. Okay. Till what stage we can cancel is till pick release we can say, not pick confirm. Okay. Auto ship means pick release shipping we can do simultaneously or one by one. Interface strip stop I just before told you, I don't need to revise. How to display sales representative? There is one table. The table name is JTF RS sales reps. If you forgotten the table, we can easily get it from this particular table. So one more table also there, that is FND columns. Let's say you remember column name, but you don't know the table name. Okay. So at that time, this is really helpful. Let's say you remember only flow status code. Okay. Table ID is the join condition. FC dot table ID. We require only table name. Column name I'm looking. Right. Flow status. Just sample I'm giving, okay. So flow status code is available into OE that's all. OE line, ACKS, these are all other tables. 21 tables, in 21 tables, flow status code is there. Okay. There are two tables here, FND tables and other one is FND columns. To identify unknown tables, unknown columns, we can use this This query is regularly will use. Okay. Are you okay with this 8 points? So practice now, then maybe in the evening, what we can do, the other points are there, right, in O2C? The other points, invoice, receipt, that we'll see. Okay. So you want me to send all this? ఇది బెస్ట్ అనుకుంటా, నీట్గా ఉంది కొద్దిగా. చార్ట్ చదవకండి, కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్. చూస్తున్నారు కదా. If any point is not covered, let me know, I'll cover. Guys, online, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Practice immediately.
Okay, sir.